Hey guys, Happy New Year. This is Leslie Vernon here, also aka as Cat number 5 and here it's 2018. Hope everyone has a safe New Year. And today we are looking at a 1996 Sony handycam video a camcorder model CCD TR66. And it takes these high 8 tape. Also, I have 8mm, so I use them here too. We're gonna play it back on this old 2000s Sharp TV. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on here, see if it still has battery power. Yeah, it does. Okay, would be pretty embarrassing if it didn't. All right, I'm gonna start this TV up. And yes, in 2018, I'm still using a tube TV, because I do like them. I think there's a tape in here already. Nope, there's not. Okay, let's put that tape. I took that tape out of there. I'm gonna put this tape in here, and we're gonna watch some footage. Just a little bit, because I don't have that much battery life. I'm gonna press play. So if it plays.
Yes.
This is on Christmas 2000s. On the bottom. That's my sister.
She wanna say what she gotta say.
This is Christmas. This is my grandmother sleeping.
Okay.
And those pictures, the small one is me, my grandfather, and my cousin, and that's me, my school picture. Let's fast forward, guys. Give me one, huh?
Alright, this morning in our series, moved to South Me here for representing the NASA astronauts.
Lots of chocolates.
In space than any other American. While the 57-year-old flight.
This is taken on December 30th, 2017. That's my cat, Emily. She's like right here right now. Well, you can't probably see her. You can see her face. Okay. Let's stop this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.